All right, Fred Ferguson from Fairbanks, Alaska asks, hey, have you ever done a video about the study done about throat-tongue exercises to help reduce the effects of obstructive sleep apnea? You'll find it here at flizzleschnizzle.bizzle.dizzle.gov. I said, no. It's in the queue, and that's where we are today, friends. We're in the queue! Here it is. Upper airway muscle function plays a major role in the maintenance of upper airway patency and contributes to the genesis, which I believe is a book in the Bible, of obstructive sleep apnea. Preliminary results suggest that the oropharyngeal exercises derived from speech therapy may be an effective treatment option for patients with moderate OSAS, which is obstructive sleep apnea syndrome. So do they work? Let's skip all this crap and go right down to the conclusion. Oropharyngeal exercises significantly reduce OSAS severity and symptoms and represent a promising treatment for moderate OSAS. I'm guessing also mild. So what's up with these facial throat exercises? You know what this is? It's exact same as if you look up Didgeridoo, that instrument, that instrument from Australia. Check out the studies on that. These exercises are pretty much the exact same as playing the Didgeridoo, which has also been found to reduce some of the symptoms of sleep apnea. So the theory being, if your sleep apnea is caused by your throat muscles being a little slack. So think of when you're if you're a male, when you were a young buck and you had the muscles fit, always working out, and then you get a little older and you stop working out and it becomes flabby and flaccid. That's what your throat's doing too. Apparently you're not talking enough, I don't know. So what you want to do is try to strengthen these muscles. You just want to use them so that they become more tense. And if they become more tense, they're not going to sag as much, and OSA is either lessened or gone. That's the theory of this article, and I'd say, yeah, it kind of works. Is it going to totally get you off CPAP? Maybe if you're in the mild range, in my opinion. The article suggests in the moderate range as well. I would actually like to see some studies, like actual sleep studies between the two. I didn't really get totally into that article, but maybe they did that. Maybe it needs to be repeated. Does it look promising? You betcha. So how do you do these exercises? Now, what I did is I did them for a couple weeks, and I noticed that my upper airway felt a little stronger, a little tougher, a little more stronger and tougher. So what you do is you kind of go, you have to lift, you can feel it. Woo! You lift your upper airway by kind of flexing the muscle, and you can feel, like if you're looking at me, the back part of my throat, when I go, I can feel it like I'm working it out, like I'm lifting weights. Kind of lifts up, lifts up, lifts up, lifts up, lifts up, and then you can feel it kind of becoming stronger. At first, it became very tired. At first, I did this in front of my family, where my boys thought it was hilarious, and my wife, I feel like a jackass. So I started doing it on my drive home, 8-9 hours of just, So I did 2 sessions of those a day for the days I did it, but it wasn't every day for those 2 weeks. So like I said, it was about 8 to 10 hours. Felt like it made a difference. I definitely noticed it walking around. My throat felt a little deeper. I felt a little more gravelly. I felt a little more manly. But give it a shot. I wouldn't expect it's going to get you off CPAP. But it might make it a little less. I mean, if you have mild sleep apnea, I don't know. It's kind of fun to do, though. I was doing it in my car. People were probably looking at me from the side. I don't know. I wasn't looking at them. I was doing my exercises, okay? I was in the zone. I was like an athlete in the zone. All right, I realize this video did absolutely no good, but by God, I covered it. So, hey, if you liked the video, which I don't know why you would, but if you did, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to our channel. Please, oh my God. please don't unsubscribe to our channel. This video sucked. But there you have it. Thanks, my name is Jason. Take care, and Godspeed, little doodle.